When it comes to purchasing that next home or condominium, location is usually at the top of the list for potential buyers, and most are looking for something with quick access to amenities and even the highways.
Yeah, but they don't want to feel like they're living that close to major roads. That's why Trillium Ridge from Eastbrook Homes has been such a hit with homeowners. Take a look. When you're looking for a place to live, especially a beautiful condominium, the location's important. And Trillium Ridge, right here from Eastbrook Homes, so close to the highways, so close to M6, but you would never know it. Tucked away in this great ravine are some beautiful condos that we're going to talk to Kelly and Kurt about right now.
Well, we are a local builder. We've been in business for just over 52 years. We have over 50 communities in the West Michigan area. Today we're at Trillium Ridge, one of our newest communities in Hudsonville that features condominium living. People think condos are small boxes that you go to live in once you retire. This is the furthest thing from that. They're personalized, very spacious. We're in an attached condo here, which features just shy of 2,400 square feet of living space and loads of storage. That's something that folks that are moving from a house that want to go into a condo are quite nervous about because they have things that they've collected over the years. And I think Eastbrook has done such a great job with the best use of space in developing their condominiums. We are standing in a Channing condominium, which is one of our attached condo floor plans that we offer. There's many, many different things you can do to personalize the home plans. So some people like to have one fireplace, some people like to have two, some people enjoy a Michigan room, or maybe not even finishing their basement. So there's a whole bunch of different things you can do to personalize these houses. We make these homes feel not like condominiums, but like personalized homes. At Trillium Ridge, the attached condominium is called our Channing home plan. It is two houses in one building. So you get 2,400 square feet of living on each side. And then we also have detached condominiums plans called the Willow and the Aspen, where there are standalone condominiums where you wouldn't have a neighbor attached to you. All of those plans can be personalized and built here in Trillium Ridge. Perks of condo life, no exterior maintenance for the most part. Your landscaping and your snow removal's done. Those things are all handled for you, so you can just go about life and enjoy your time that you have. You don't have to worry about pulling the weeds or mowing the lawn. We just opened up Trillium Ridge really to the community. There will be 44 houses in our first phase and a total of 64 when the development completes. We also have 3 attached condo homes ready for move-in now and 1 detached villa available for move-in right now too.
The location at Trillium Ridge, we think we really hit it right on the button. We are in Jamestown Township, Hudsonville Schools, conveniently located just south of the M6 and 196. So it's kind of a bedroom community where, if you need to go to downtown Grand Rapids or go towards the lakeshore, we're right in between. The Fred Meyer Trail is literally right out the front of the development, which has been a great addition to Jamestown. You can take that all the way out 84th Street. Great for a good jog or mountain biking. A lot of great spots, obviously blue ribbon schools out here in Hudsonville as well. Behind this unit that we're in, we actually have a beautiful ravine and trees that surround both cul-de-sacs here. So it feels like you're private, but yet you're close to town.
You can visit our website at eastbrookhomes.com/Trillium Ridge, or you can also just contact our online concierge telephone number at Eastbrook Homes.
Nice place.
Pretty sweet condos.
Absolutely. Hey, to learn more about Eastbrook Homes and their communities, you can visit
eastbrookhomes.com.